So let's start. Come to page number, this one is 69. Who I am. In this lesson, we look at what we are like and how each of us is different. We are all interesting people in different ways and we are all good at different things. Yes, it's very true that we are different from one another. We cannot be alike one another. There might be some of our features can match, or might be some similarities we can show in our character or feelings or mentality or our way of dressing, clothing, or food habits, but still then we are different. We all are different from one another. That means we are unique of our own. So as you read this, think about what you are like and what you enjoy doing. Many voices. Part 1. Radha. My favorite activity is climbing trees. Wow, very interesting that she loves to climb up trees. I can still hear some voices. Whose microphone is not in mute mode? Whose microphone is not in mute mode? Every time, every day, in every class, every teachers need to repeat the same thing. What do you think? You are reading in class prep or in class 1 or 2? That every time we have to repeat these things. Immediately put your microphone in mute mode and don't disturb in the class. Just outside our house there is a mango tree which I love to go up. Its branches spread out so it is simple to climb up the tree and I can sit comfortably in the fork of two branches. My mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees, but one afternoon she climbed up too, and both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world. So this is about Radha. Her favorite pastime is to climbing up trees, and many a times her mother says her that it's not at all something very good for the girls to climb up trees, but still then she didn't pay heed to her mother's sayings, and every time she used to just climb up the trees and enjoy sitting over there. And one day even her mother couldn't resist herself. She also climbed up the tree, and both mother and daughter, they sat together and they enjoyed talking and eating raw mangoes. Very nice experience. And what Radha is saying, that she is saying that when I climb up the trees at that time I feel that I am the queen or I am the ruler of the world and I can rule the whole world. It's really irritating that somebody is still talking. Who is this one? Such interesting lesson we have started, and for these people everything just gets ruined. Shombhit Konar. Other children, they are saying that you have not put the microphone in mute mode. If it is true, Shombhit Konar, immediately put your microphone in mute mode. And Shushobhan also. Nasid. Now the next person is Nasid. When I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. Why? Why instead of having other hobbies or instead of getting indulged in other activities? Why this person wants to become a seed collector? Let's see. We have cotton fields in our village, and every year my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants, which could be shown to grow new plants during the next year. But today that doesn't work, so we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. I want to find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that I can use them again and not spend money every year. So this is the reason for which this Nasir, he wants to become a seed collector. He wants to save his father's hard-earned money, and he wants to follow the footsteps of his grandfather, who had said that when he was or he used to do this cultivation work. At that time he used to preserve seeds, and the next year those seeds used to be shown, and from that only new plants or new saplings they used to come out. So that's why Nasir is thinking, if that process worked so many years back, why it will not work now? Just reading this character of Nasir, can you remember another character who was having the same sort of responsibility for the family? Can you name that character about whom you have read, and that person also used to show the same type of feelings for the family? Yes, hurry up. Yes, very good. Taro. Yes, Taro used to have the same sort of feelings for his family, the same sort of responsibility. Now, Rohit, if I had huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. Very nice. Nothing other than traveling every here and there. Every day I would just go for traveling. And what you'd see? I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they look beautiful in a magazine picture. I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in South America on a raft. I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down the sea coral. I suppose I should go to the Konarak temple in Odisha, or the old city in Beijing in China, and the pyramids in Egypt too. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings. So this boy, he is some sort of nature lover, and he wants to just visit or travel many places, and he will see the different famous monuments or famous cities. But what attracts him the most is the beauty of nature. Is a nature lover boy. Now, Sharabajit, what makes me very angry is when people don't believe me when I am telling the truth. For example, if I tell my teacher that I couldn't do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book and forgot to return it, or I tell my parents that it wasn't me but my little brother who started the fight, or if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test even if I have got bad marks, they all look at me as if they think I am telling lies. Very bad. The look on their faces really angers me. Sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I don't show that I am angry. This is really very what to say, heartbreaking something, or very pathetic, that whenever I am saying the truth, people, they are not believing me. What is the reason? When I am saying the teacher that yes, Ravi has borrowed, or one of my friends, he has borrowed my book, that's why I couldn't complete my homework, the teacher is not ready to believe. When I'm saying my parents that it is not me but my younger brother, he has done something naughty or something mischievous, at that time my parents, they are not believing me. Why it should be like this? And even when I have said that yes, I have studied but still then I got bad marks or poor marks, the teacher is not ready to believe me. Now all these things just make this boy Sarvajit very angry, but he is a very sober type boy. That's why whenever he gets quite angry, he doesn't shout, he doesn't show his anger. Rather, he looks down and look at his shoes and count 10 so that nobody can see his hidden anger. So it's a very nice character. So we have completed reading up to this the character of Sharabajit, and in our next class we will read about Dolma and Peter. So give a tick mark up to this, and if you are having any query or problem, you can ask me right now. If you are not having any query, then just wait. I will ask you, don't leave the class. I will ask you to write down present along with your full name. Okay.